It says seek peace and pursue it. With the camera. And focus, focus, focus. I don't like it. There it goes. Okay, guys, sorry for the. There it goes. It fixed itself. Okay, so it says seek peace and pursue it. And as you can see, it's in gold foil writing. How pretty is that? And look, there's another purple butterfly. Yep. So, oh, these were planned, like what was going on throughout the month here. I had wrote down what every day meant. Saturday is social Saturday. Sunday is Sunday setups. Monday is motivational Monday. Tuesdays are tutorial Tuesdays. Wednesdays are washy Wednesdays. Thursdays are throwaway Thursdays, which is you throw away anything that you're not using, you've had for a long time, and you just don't want it anymore. Or you try the project and it failed, and it's like you toss it to make room for a new one. And then Flash Friday. I forgot what Flash Friday was about. But yeah. So that is that. And then I have these months here, month tabs that I just stuck in this book. So I might not just dedicate this to a particular month just yet. I may or I may not. All depends. I mean, I do have the months sitting here. And at first it was just like, cute little decorations, but I might dedicate this to. I got enough lines in here. So I might just do, each day and see if there's something to do on the day or not. I mean, but I can still use it. Currently we are in November, so I can actually do a spread of November, the month of November, and then keep it going all the way back to August, So, yeah. And here is the back of it. And then here's a pocket, and I don't have anything in here. And, oh, I have to get something to put here because I don't like all this nakedness. That is super annoying to me. I have 2 books on one elastic, and then 2 books on another elastic here. See that purple elastic? That elastic. And then I have this here. And I think that this came with 1, 2, 3 elastics. Then it has this one here and this one here. So, I mean, that kind of doesn't count. But it's like 3 long elastics, and I think I am going to put something in here like a zipper pouch thing that I'll probably just put in here so I can keep like stickers or anything that is given to me. So I thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah. Catch me in other videos. You never know who you will inspire. And hopefully this has inspired a few somebodies to do their own planners. Yay! And write in it more than I do. Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.